You can use the Smart Service option for remote control, diagnostics, and servicing of operator stations over the Internet or intranet. Suitable are panels of the 270 series, XP177B, and Mobile Panel 177PN, as well as multi-panels and PCs with WinCC flexible runtime. And now the functions one by one. Remote servicing a panel over the Internet Explorer. Providing service and maintenance functions via HTML pages. Dispatching emails. Dispatching emails. In runtime, emails can be sent automatically to service personnel via an SMTP, or Simple Mail Transfer Protocol server. The sending of an email is triggered, for example, by a message in a specific message class, an event in which the send email function is configured, for example, a change in the value of a variable, or so on. Remote control of a panel over the Internet Explorer. A panel configured as Smart Server can be remotely monitored or controlled from a smart client. Remote service following receipt of an email. A plant has a service contract with an external service company. The panel in the plant and the PC belonging to the authorized service technician are linked to one another over a TCP/IP-capable network. The sending of email to the service technician containing specific messages has been configured in the project. The service technician receives an email triggered by a message in runtime. The technician establishes a connection to the panel with the aid of the MS Internet Explorer. Initially, he sees the panel's start page, where he first calls up the system messages and device information, for example, the version release of the image. Using remote control, the service technician can lock into the panel from his workstation in order to make changes in the system controller or to bring the machines back to an initial position by accessing the process. In the Microsoft Internet Explorer, he has the operator interface displayed right on his workstation. In the manner described above, the technician can operate the panel from his workstation and monitor the ongoing process. He can take the necessary steps immediately and estimate the urgency with which actions need to be taken on the machine at the local level. Advantage: a message received in good time by the service technician helps reduce unplanned downtimes to a minimum. Providing service and maintenance functions via HTML pages. An integrated web server provides standard HTML pages with the following functions: remote control, starting and stopping HMI runtime for the purpose of servicing, remote access to recipe data records, password lists and system-specific information, access to the station's files via the integrated file browser, and downloading of configuration data. The standard HTML pages can be supplemented with one's own HTML pages.